I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. Hold the yarn in your hand and wrap it around your fingers to form a loop. Insert your hook through that loop and pick up the yarn and pull it through. Now keep that loop open. Just take one chain stitch. And I'm just going to make 6 single crochet. So 1, keeping that loop open, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you can take your yarn end and pull the loop closed and take 1 stitch to join. And there you have a nice tight circle. And that's how easy it is to start any crochet project with the magic circle or the magic ring. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.